This one's done it all. Kidnapping, robbery, murder, extortion.
Foxtrot Charlie, perimeter secure. You are clear to release.
His name is Cyrus Grissom, a.k.a. Cyrus the Virus. 39 years old, 25 of them spent in our institution. But he's bettered himself inside, earned 2 degrees, including his Juris Doctorate. He also killed 11 fellow inmates, incited 3 riots, and escaped twice. Likes to brag that he killed more men than cancer.
Okay, open wide. Lift your tongue.
Cyrus is a poster child for the criminally insane.
Oh, look at this walkie penis. Boy, you are one skinny Negro. Open up. Oh, man, this smells like so much shit in your mouth.
Mass murderer? The same. He caught his wife in bed with another man, left her alone, drove 4 towns over to his wife's family's house, killed her parents, her brothers, her sisters, even the dog.
Scan him.
And who is that good-looking brother on screen?
Nathan Jones, a.k.a. Diamond Dog, former general of the Black Guerrillas. He blew up a meeting of the National Rifle Association saying, and I quote, they represented the basest negativity. That is Cameron Poe, parolee, hitching a ride home. He's a nobody.
Scan him. Face me. What's this shit?
It's my daughter.
Well, I don't care if it's a weeper mama Christ. There's no personal possessions on this airplane.
Just as long as you know I'll be getting that back at some point.
Are you telling me what I'm going to be doing here, numbnuts?
You heard me.
What you looking at, punk?
Nothing, I just admiring your cage. Fits you pretty good.
Well, welcome aboard. My, as I look around, I see a lot of celebrities among us. I see 11 current affairs, 2 hard copies, and a genuine Geraldo interviewee. But I gotta tell you, gentlemen, none of this impresses me. Because we have rules on this aircraft, and they're gonna be enforced. It's a lot like kindergarten. You'll keep your hands to yourself, you keep the decibel level down, and if any of you should feel the need to scream, spit, or bite, you get the treatment. Fuck you, pig. Gang bang this Nazi mother. See, this kind of thing is in a foul mood. These rules will be enforced. Yes, in case of trouble, if any of you so much as passes gas in my direction, it offends my delicate nasal passages, your testicles will become my personal property.
Usted es el famoso criminal. Tú eres panillo, 23, y te conozco. 23 cargos de violación.
Mira.